Imagine, my friends, you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of financial struggle, constantly yearning for a breakthrough. Bills pile up and good fortune seems elusive. It feels like the world is conspiring against you, leaving you desperate for change. But what if I told you that the secret to unlocking abundance and prosperity lies within your grasp? Welcome to our channel, where we delve deep into the mysteries of the law of attraction. Today, we bring you an extraordinary revelation that will revolutionize your life. Brace yourself as we unravel the signs of the law of attraction through the teachings of the renowned Conny Mendez. Conny Mendez, a luminary in understanding the intricacies of the law of attraction, will guide us through the transformative journey of manifesting wealth and positive energy. Are you ready to learn the signs that will ignite a spark of prosperity in your life? Join us as we delve into the depths of the law of attraction. Discover how you can bring money and positive energy into your life, ushering in a new era of abundance and fulfillment. But that's not all. We'll also unveil a powerful money visualization exercise that will amplify your manifesting abilities and attract the riches you deserve. But I must caution you, my friends, this knowledge is not to be taken lightly. It holds the potential to reshape your reality and propel you towards unimaginable heights. Prepare to embark on a journey that will challenge everything you thought you knew. Before we dive in, I implore you to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll gain access to exclusive content and ensure you never miss a life-altering revelation. All right, let's begin. First, we'll learn the art of adding positivity into all aspects of our lives. From our job to our dreams and even our thoughts about money, infusing positivity can make a remarkable difference. Imagine waking up each day with a renewed sense of purpose, radiating positivity and attracting opportunities for financial growth. By adopting a positive mindset, you can shift your focus towards abundance and open yourself up to a world of possibilities. For instance, let's say you have a dream of starting your own business. Rather than doubting yourself and dwelling on potential obstacles, start visualizing your success. See yourself thriving in your business, manifesting wealth, and making a positive impact in the lives of others. By infusing positivity into your dream, you align yourself with the energy of success and attract the necessary resources to turn your dreams into reality. Next, we will introduce you to an exercise specifically designed to bring money into your life exactly when you need it the most. Imagine a world where money flows effortlessly towards you, meeting your needs and fulfilling your desires. This powerful exercise acts as a magnet, attracting financial abundance into your life with perfect timing. Stay tuned and discover the exact steps to perform this exercise and manifest the money you desire. Find a quiet place where you can focus and unlock the hidden good things in our lives. Often, we get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life, forgetting to take a moment to reflect and appreciate the blessings that surround us. By finding a peaceful space to connect with ourselves and the universe, we tap into a wellspring of positivity and abundance. Prepare to embark on a journey of self-discovery and gratitude. It's crucial to realize the power of positive affirmations and how they bring more positive energy and better outcomes into our lives. The words we speak hold immense power, and by consciously choosing positive affirmations, we attract positive energy and shape our reality. Repeat affirmations that reflect financial abundance, prosperity, and success. By consistently affirming positive beliefs, you elevate your frequency and become an energetic match for the wealth and positivity you desire. Friends, in this fast-paced and competitive world, it's easy to fall into the habit of seeing others as competition. But what if I told you that by embracing a mindset of abundance and supporting others, you invite even greater blessings into your life? Imagine the scenario. You come across a colleague or a fellow entrepreneur who is doing incredible work in their business. Instead of feeling envy or jealousy, you choose to genuinely appreciate their achievements and publicly acknowledge their hard work. This act of kindness not only uplifts them, but also creates a ripple effect in the universe. As you send positive energy and goodwill towards their success, the universe reciprocates by attracting more positive opportunities and abundance into your own life. Remember, what you put out into the world comes back to you in unexpected and delightful ways. Money, despite being a material entity, carries a powerful energy. And just as we bless ourselves and others with good wishes, it's essential to bless our money too. Before spending or receiving money, take a moment to infuse it with positive intentions and blessings. Envision the money being used for the highest good, for your needs, desires, and opportunities to manifest. By consciously aligning your money with positivity and the divine will, you invite the universe's support and guidance. Trust that as your money flows through your hands, it carries a divine blessing that attracts and creates even more abundance in your life. Remember, the energy you infuse into your money will multiply and return to you manifold. In this segment, we will guide you through a powerful exercise that will help you cultivate a mindset of abundance and attract the financial prosperity you desire. Get ready to unlock the doors to a new reality filled with unlimited possibilities. First, I want you to feel the joy of abundance and let go of any worries or concerns about money. Take a deep breath and exhale all the tension and doubt. Imagine yourself surrounded by an aura of abundance and prosperity. Feel the excitement and gratitude that arise when you release any limiting beliefs and embrace the idea that abundance is your birthright. Now close your eyes and visualize having enough money to not only cover your immediate needs, but also sustain you comfortably for months. See yourself with a bank account overflowing with wealth, your bills paid, and a surplus left for savings and investments. Embrace the feeling of security and freedom that comes with knowing that you are financially well taken care of. By practicing this exercise regularly, you will start to develop a strong faith and understanding that these new realities can indeed come your way. Trust that the universe is always conspiring in your favor and that abundance is available to you in unlimited ways. Allow yourself to fully embody this belief and watch as new opportunities, synchronicities, and resources effortlessly flow into your life. As you go through this visualization, try counting out loud. This simple act of vocalizing your affirmations and gratitude helps build your confidence and amplifies the positive energy you are creating. Count each aspect of your abundant life, expressing gratitude for every blessing you currently have. By being fully present and thankful for what you already possess, you open yourself up to receiving even more. Believe with unwavering certainty that the universe is listening to you and actively bringing forth what you need. Trust that as you align yourself with abundance and visualize your dreams coming true, the universe conspires to manifest them into reality. Surrender any doubts or worries, and instead cultivate a deep sense of trust, knowing that the universe always delivers in its perfect timing. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey of manifestation and abundance. We hope that the insights shared in this video have resonated with you and ignited a spark within you to create the life you truly desire. Remember, the path to success has already been planned, and you hold the power to change, grow, and manifest your dreams. Embrace this opportunity to move forward, sharing your experiences along the way and inspiring others to do the same. As you embark on this journey, know that you are not alone. The universe is always conspiring in your favor, guiding you towards your highest potential. If you enjoyed this video and found value in the content, we kindly ask you to give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't done so already. Your support means the world to us, and it allows us to continue creating transformative content to help you on your manifestation journey. We would love to hear your thoughts, so please feel free to share them in the comment section below. Your feedback and engagement are greatly appreciated. Until we meet again in our next video, remember to keep manifesting. Embrace the power within you and create the life you deserve.